Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna show you an app. It's called Myntra fashion shopping application in your device. So if you want to get this app, online shopping marketplace, in your device, so what you need to do, you have to go Google Play Store if you use Android phone, and you have to go App Store if you use iPhone. Then you can see the look like that, the interface. So you can see the rating of the app 4.4 out of 5. So when you get any app, the app is more than 4, we consider that the app is amazing. And 4 million reviews, it means 4 million people write something about this app. So you can see the size of the app, only 18 megabyte, it's not too long, and 100 million plus people already use this offer prices product. So what you need to do, you need to tap on the install button, so it takes few time to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching the video.